Also, ach du Scheiße. What's up? It's your guy Naujoxx and welcome to my channel where I'm showing you the funniest animal videos out there. Well, to be honest, this channel is not about funny animals, but fashion tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 websites that you need to know if you care about fashion. Let's get right into it. Before we start with the first website, this video is not sponsored by any of those brands. It's just my personal opinion. When it comes to fashion, and especially affordable fashion, the #1 website is ASOS. ASOS has such an insane variety of clothes, sneakers and accessories. Whether it's some basic essential t-shirts or clothes or some very unique styles, you'll find it there. My latest pickups from ASOS were this purple cloud sweater, this green cardigan and another purple zip sweater. Also, all glasses that I'm wearing on my Instagram account are affordable glasses from ASOS. The second best all-included website is Zalando, and they pretty much have these same things as ASOS, but their clothes are just a little bit more basic. I couldn't find really unique styles on Zalando so far, but what I got from them is some very essential clothes and my New Balance sneakers that I needed to get that dad style I was going for. What you can shop at Zalando too is some sports clothes, because they mostly have some really nice sale items that you can buy for affordable prices. Now, as we've talked about 2 websites that you might have heard before, let's talk about some very unique and special clothes websites. The third website on my list is Reputation Studios. And yes, I have and I'm currently working with them, but as I said, I'm not sponsored by them in this video. They are my third website on this list because I really enjoy their styles and their general vibe. Reputation Studios has the craziest cargos, denims, and as it's winter, some flannels and winter jackets for a street style vibe. After working with them for over a year now and reviewing like more than 50 products of them, I can really say that both quality and styles are really nice. The only critique that I could give you here is that they are not that cheap, so you need to spend some cash to buy stuff from them. Harsh and Cruel, probably the most unique street style brand that I came across in the past year. Their style is very remarkable and probably not for everyone, but if you're into street style, you have to check them out. Whether it's fancy jackets, extraordinary sweaters, or some very nice denims, you can find it there. Pretty similar to Reputation Studios, you have to pay a little bit more than with ASOS and Zalando. But if you are into street style and you like unique fashion, you mostly have to spend a lot more than with those 2 brands. And Harsh and Cruel, if you see this, let's collaborate. The last websites on my list are Fashion Nova and Boohoo. And they both share the 5th place because they both have an insane variety for affordable prices. They both go into street style and casual directions and you can't go wrong with them. The only critique that I could give you here though is that the shipping times were a little bit longer with my packages. But as I'm a person who does not really care too much about how fast my packages are arriving, as soon as they arrive at some point, that wasn't a big deal. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. And if you want more recommendation videos, please let me know in the comments. And if so, let me know what styles you like to see next. So pants, hoodies or whatever it is. Also, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more fashion and photography content. See you in the next videos. Over and... Das muss halt in die Bloopers, Alter. Also, all my glasses. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 websites, oder wie? Also, na! Der war übel schlecht.